Welcome to the Stock Next Education program. Let's explore today's topic. Treasurer Jim Chalmers has announced major tax reforms targeting negative gearing and capital gains tax, CGT, describing them as the biggest tax changes in 25 years. Under the new rules, investors who buy existing residential properties after budget night will no longer be able to use rental losses to reduce tax on their wage income. Instead, those losses can only offset income from other investment properties or be carried forward. For example, if an investor earns $90,000 from their job and loses $10,000 on a rental property, they currently pay tax as if they earned $80,000. Under the new rules, that $10,000 loss can no longer reduce their salary tax. Newly built homes are exempt from the changes, meaning investors can still fully negative gear brand new properties. For example, if someone buys a newly constructed apartment and loses $8,000 per year in rental costs, they can still deduct that loss from their total taxable income under the proposed rules. Existing property owners are also protected under grandfathering rules. For example, if an investor bought a property before budget night, they can continue using the current negative gearing benefits for as long as they own that property. The budget also changes the CGT system. Instead of the current 50% discount on profits from selling assets like property or shares, Labor plans to apply a minimum 30% tax after inflation is removed from the gain. If an investor makes a $200,000 profit selling an investment property and inflation accounts for $40,000 of that gain, tax would apply to the remaining $160,000 under the new formula rather than automatically cutting the taxable gain in half. The government says the reforms aim to improve housing affordability and encourage construction of new homes, while critics warn the changes may discourage investment and reduce rental supply. One final note, none of this is law yet. Senate negotiations and Treasury consultation could still reshape the details before 2027. That's the Stock Next educational program. Thanks for watching and see you next time.